And while we're here, let's check out some toys. Wow, a squishy unicorn! How cute! I don't think that's supposed to come off. Oh no! Oh, what's she up to now? That's a lot of water. It's gonna blow! No wonder unicorns are so hard to find nowadays. They're probably hiding. Out of this. First, let's make sure that lever works. Yeah, it seems to work all right. Now let's put it to the test with another cute little piggy and a balloon. Wow, it's really blowing up, and off it goes. You should at least try to catch this one. Wow, that's certainly different. She didn't catch that one either. What's she gonna do with this next one? We can make our own cute little balloon poodle. Well, if you know how. Oh, it looks like a toy car. And it's a wind-em-up. There must be something secretly special about it. Oh, what the? Talk about your transformer. And talk about man's best friend while we're at it. Why not have 2 in 1? How cute. Mochi squishies. Oh no, I have a strange feeling she's up to something. These things are going into the masher. Oh, I almost can't look. Well, on the bright side, those cute little squishies sure make cute little worms. It's like a cross between yellow eyes and clear eggs. And it pops just like a balloon. Wow, this one looks like a bunch of little balls fused together. Oh, please don't try to break this one. Stress balls don't grow on trees, you know. Someone needs to warn these last 2 balls. Please play nice with them. Don't break up a nice set like this. I shouldn't have said anything. Here come the scissors. Let's hope the blue one escaped. Ew, that's a face only a mother could love, and only to keep up appearances. Don't stick your finger in there. I wouldn't mind breaking a piggy bank that looked like this. Well, it said it would eat your money, and it does. Oh wow, a cute little robot. Drawing a line? I think I know where you're going with this. How cute. Mr. Robot follows along the line. Impressive. But can we make it more challenging? Huh, I guess not. But hey, walk or not, at least it looks adorable while doing it. Cool. Those look like those things people wear to a rave party. It's almost hypnotic to watch. It's like a spinning rainbow. And would you look at that? They fold up into nice shapes, too. A camera? Huh, I can't believe they still make those. But it probably has some secret purpose we'll uncover. Let's see. We put in some glitter and a pretty image. It's a 3-dimensional sticker! Wow! Personally, I'm more into that talking snowman, but to each their own. Well, I guess optical illusions have done all they could with flat images, so now they're 3D! I swear, if this thing somehow turns into that impossible triangle, I'll pay double for it! Well, that was cool, but let's see what this magic napkin can do. Well, you can stretch it in and out. I hope the next thing's a hypercube.
Wow.
Well, guess not. But still, you can move this thing inside around like a spiral. These snappers are like really strong worms. Oh no, you broke it! I guess they're not too strong. Wait, I think you can put them back together. Just turn them into a circle. And thanks to the joints, you can fold them into any shape you want. First it's a plus sign, then it becomes 3D too, and back again. Let's see what this next toy can do. Well, seems simple enough. Rolling a marble around and around, but things are rarely as simple as they appear. Spinning balls. Isn't that what balls are kind of known for doing? Oh, cool. They can spin on their own. It's like magic, or at least science fiction. Oh, the power of magnets. Truly the closest humans have come to magic. I'm not sure why, but I think they use this to train dairy farmers. Well, it seems simple. You just need to catch each one as it falls. If only it came with a few extra pairs of hands. The last one's always a bit tricky. Oh, whatever that is, it looks like a giant bubble wand. Oh, it's like a jump rope for one person. And you probably get a nice little workout from playing with it. Cool. You can do it with your hands, too. Let's see what's next. Oh, how cute. What is it exactly? It's like a cross between a cat and a raccoon. Oh, I see. It's a creature from the depths of the underworld. Those things are so hard to find at such a reasonable price. See, kids? I told you having an extra hand would come in handy. This should really help you reach up high and far. You can have fun scaring your date, especially if they made you pay for popcorn. And you can play King Kong with random children. Man, these cool tools just keep on coming. Catch you next time. Alright, time to start the day with a nice shower. Well, it is pretty, but I'd get someone to look at that water. Though it kind of goes with her hair. The perfect thing after a shower? A bath. Never can be too clean. Something tells me this cloud has a special surprise for us. Wow, it doesn't just fizz, it emits a rainbow, just like that. Talk about your double rainbow. Cool. Look at all these colored pencils. Can you hold them all? You could just use one at a time, but where's the fun in that? Instead, we'll add it to the bottom of these flip-flops. Kinda like a mix between platform shoes and cleats. Now you can make art with a morning jog. If only you had more than 2 feet. Look at all that white food. Even the chocolate's white. But there's a little color in the corner. Skittles. Guess she likes them extra crispy. Now it's time to make some popcorn. It's perfect for when you can't decide on salty or sweet. Hey, be careful with that skirt! Oh yeah, tablecloths are great for makeshift clothes. That and curtains, especially when it's made of tulle fabric. First, make a knot, and then make a few more. Now take your new tutu for a spin. Hair like this is a labor of love. Oh, wait a minute. Oh no! Quick, maybe we can call the salon. Or I guess you could just do that. Still, I wonder what we can do with these beads. Add a little bit of heat and melt them together. Before it dries, roll it up into your new ring. Don't forget, we have a lot of leftover beads. Remember, fashion is fleeting, but style is eternal. But pulling off white shoes might prove a challenge. Some shaving cream might help, but we still need some color. Now that's more like it. Taste the rainbow and smush everything together. She's so excited. She's gonna put them on as is. Of course, a little water never hurt anybody. These shoes are a tie-dye masterpiece. She doesn't look too happy, does she? You probably could have just used the ones in the bag. Luckily, Ms. Rainbow's here has a plan for them. Just melt them into different colors and pour them into a rainbow parfait. This should put a smile on her face. After all, she liked those gummies the first time. Hey, watch where you're going! Oh no! Her shoes! Luckily, this girl always has a colorful trick up her sleeve. Brick by brick, we now have a brand new pair of pumps. Hey, you sure you weren't reaching for the toilet paper? Good, and this will help against those cold bathroom floors. Plus, decorations. Ice cream. Kind of expected rainbow sherbet, and not melted. I demand a refund. That's just false advertising. Anyway, we can still fix it up with different colored chocolate. Just give it a dip. And it comes with a little shield of sorts. Maybe she should start her own stand. Happy birthday! Oh, don't cry. Sketchbooks are fun. After all, the fun is adding your own special splash of color. And adding all these colors is just the start. When this paint dries, we can just scratch the colors back to the surface. Something like this needs to be put on display. There's a time for work and a time for play. This is boring. When's playtime again? Of course, any time is a good time for inspiration. This pom-pom border will make anything look cute and fuzzy. Nature gives us a variety of colors, and so does the Easter Bunny. What do you think's inside it anyway? Either it'll dissolve, or the fish will have something new to play with. Or maybe it's just enough to break it ourselves. What a cute toy. Let's give it a nice dip. And our cute little sea pony ain't little no more. Hey, who doesn't love playing with sponges? Time for a fashion montage. It's nice and simple, but simple ain't style here. We just need to make some cuts. Add some beads to bring color to all this fringe. Probably should wash your hands. Those nails need a little something special. If you have a bunch of different nail polish colors, why not put them all to use? Come on, what other nail file would she have? Rainbow, amazing stuff. Catch you next time.